Hello everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I'm going to do the subject of business ethics and corporate governance. In this subject, first chapter, that is concept of ethics. Here, see, the concept of ethics involves the meaning, definition, importance, sources, code of conduct, what is ethical value, ethical theories and its application on a business, ethical management, strengthening the personal and organizational integrity, and overview of ethics enshrined in religion. These are all the concepts involved in the first chapter, that is the concept of ethics. Okay, let us start the session. Introduction. Ethics is a rational reflection on what is right, what is wrong, what is just, what is unjust, what is good, and what is bad in terms of human behavior. Before the introduction, see the picture here. Ethics involves what are the points: integrity, moral principles, honesty, right, fairness, responsibility, conscience, choice, honor, value. These are all the points involved in ethics and they are called ethics. So here it is the rational reflection in a human behavior, what is the right and what is the wrong and what is good and bad in the human behavior. It is a reflects. It's called ethics. The ethics involved some principle, that is truthfulness, honesty, loyalty, respect, fairness, integrity. These principles are called ethicals or ethics. Okay, meaning of ethics. See the picture. It shows the one side the right and another side a wrong. It evaluates what is right and what is wrong. Meaning of ethics here refers that it is the evaluation of moral values, principles, and standards of human conduct and its application in daily life determine acceptable human behavior. It says that it is an evaluation of all the moral values and principles that human behavior involved in it, how it going to apply in the daily routines. It is called ethics. Then definition. Here the definition says ethics or a moral philosophy has been called, it is called both moral philosophy and ethics are same. It's a branch of philosophy that involves systematizing, defending and recommending. Here recommending means going to suggest the concept of right and wrong behavior. The definition of ethics says that it going to suggest or it going to say that what is right and what is the wrong behavior in a human. That is called ethics. It deals in a systemized way and defining way and in a suggestion way, which is right as well as wrong in the human behavior. Then nature of ethics. The concept of ethics deals with human behavior or a human being. Ethics is involved in humans, right? So the concept of ethics is normally it deals with human, how he is going to react or response. Then second one, ethics has become a set of systematic knowledge about moral behavior and conduct. As we see, individuals has a separate morals and separate values and separate norms. Every individuals, they are different from each other. So ethics is going to study how the individual behavior is. Either he involved in a moral behavior or a right behavior, or he is a behavior in a wrong way. Then third one, the science of ethics is a normative science. The science, normative means here the relative, how it is going to judge means it going to judge the values in terms of ideas, concerned with the judgments of what ought to be, but not with the real for factual judgments. It going to judge on the values of in terms of ideas and what is to be done and what is not to be done, what is done in a good manner and what is not done in a wrong way. It going to judge us. Ethics going to judge us. Then fourth one, ethics deals with the human conduct which is voluntary. As I said in the first point, every individual has a separate or there are several norms or beliefs or moral character. It is going to conduct individually or each character or each behavior. It is going to deals with the individuals. These are all the nature of ethics. Then objectives of ethics. What is objective? What are the main objectives of the ethics? Is first point, study of human behavior. As I said before only, ethics deals with a human, how he is going to respond in a socially, how he is going to behave, either he or she is going to respond in different situation. It is the main objective of ethic to study that behavior. Second one, establishes moral standards or norms of behavior. The second main objective of ethics is to establish a moral standards or norms in the human behavior. How he is going to ethic adopt or apply his ethics and the norms in his behavior, and what are the right things he need to do. Then third one, makes a judgment upon human behavior based on the standards and norms. Means here the standards which control the behavior have been termed as social norms, which controlled human behavior, what the wrong things not to be done, what right things to be done. These are the norms. It going to make a judgments on his behavior, standards as well as norms. Then prescribe moral behavior, makes recommendations about how to or how not to behavior. It is nothing but a morality is important because it helps you to not only to good behavior but also to treat others, how you are going to treat others in the society with the dignity and the respect. Morality is also an important in our relationship to the maker of the laws, and is and take a judgments regarding the recommendations about how to or how not to behave, what is right manner to behave and what are the wrong manners in behavior. It going to prescribed. Then fifth point, express an opinion or attribute about human conduct in general. Means the objective of ethics here is it is going to express its opinion. Either as I the same thing every points continues that the human is being behavior is in a right manner or a wrong manner, which may be independent of a values or a more held by a particular people or a culture. So these are all the points. They have the same objectives. They are going to make studies and establish a good morals or norms, then make judgments on those morals and standards that he adopted in his behavior, and as well as making the judgments or making the suggestions to behave in his um, behavior. Then express the opinion on his behavior, what is going to do or what is in the manner he is in the way behaves. These are all the objectives of ethics involved.